group of online classes. Today's topic is sex determination. So now let's start this topic. So now what is sex determination? Okay, आपका सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन क्या है, तो इसके बारे में हम पहले जानते हैं कि द डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ मेलनेस और फीमेलनेस ऑफ अ डेवलपिंग बेबी इज कॉल्ड सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन. The sex of the organism is decided very early in the embryonic conditions. According to chromosomal theory of sex determinations, the sex of the organism to decide by sex chromosome. This determinations occurs very early, that is at the time of fertilization or at the zygotic stage. मीन्स क्या है कि जब आपका जाइगोटिक का फॉर्मेशन होता है, जाइगोट कब बनता है, जब मेल एंड फीमेल गैमेट्स फ्यूज होते हैं, देन आफ्टर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द जाइगोट. ओके, जाइगोट के फॉर्मेशन के बाद में क्या रहता है कि उसमें डिविजन्स होते हैं. मीन्स डिविजन्स को यहाँ पर बोलते हैं व्हेन द डिविजन्स अकर इन अ जाइगोट नोन इज अ क्लीवेज. ओके, जब आपका जाइगोट में डिविजन्स होते हैं उसे क्लीवेज कहते हैं हम. तो उसमें डिविजन्स रहते हैं माइटोसिस एंड मियोसिस डिविजन्स के थ्रू. तो आपका 2 सेल्स, देन 4, देन 8, देन 16 एंड 64 ऐसे डिवाइडेशन सेल्स का होता रहता है. सेल्स के डिवाइडेशंस के बाद में क्या रहता है कि जो आपके उसमें गैमीट्स बनते हैं होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं आपका कि वहाँ पे जो ओवम एंड स्पर्म्स के कॉम्बिनेशन से क्या रहता है, आपका जाइगोट बनता है. तो वो जो जाइगोट डिविजन्स के बाद में आपका क्या करता है, सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशंस करता है. मीन्स आपका ये आइडेंटिफाई वहाँ पे करता है कि व्हेन द XY chromosomes joint or fuse with the X chromosomes, that is a female XX chromosomes. Okay, and when the joint and fuse to the Y chromosome, that is the XY, means male. Okay, so this is the when the identify of the male or female organism, which process known as a sex determination. Okay, clear it. So now this is the symbol of the male. Just wait. Okay. This one is the symbol of male. Okay, and now this one is the symbol of female. ठीक है, जब आपको इस तरह का सिंबल मिलता है, दैट इज वन इज द रिप्रेजेंट द मेल गैमेट्स and this one is the represent the female gametes. Okay, so now discuss the chromosomal theory of the sex determination or XX and or XY type of chromosomal sex determination. Okay, कि आपका XX और XY टाइप का जो क्रोमोसोम्स का सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन होता है वो क्या होता है, क्या चीज़ है. तो इन दिस थ्योरी वॉज गिवन बाय E.B. विल्सन एंड स्टीवेंस इन 1902 and 1905. It was further extended by T.H. Morgan, and according to this theory, this is the first one is the sex of the organism is determined by the nature of sex chromosomes. Okay, so now means X cells and the sperm cells. In all sexually reproducing organisms, at least one sex chromosome is present. Chromosomes other than sex chromosome are called the autosomes. Okay, so now जस्ट मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि जो आपका क्रोमोसोम्स XX और XY होते हैं. XX मीन्स फीमेल एंड XY इज द मेल. ओके, तो व्हेन XX क्रोमोसोम्स, okay, तो known is the autosomes because it's the same gametes, and the when present in XY chromosomes, that is a different chromosomes. So this one is known as a sex chromosomes because it's responsible for the how to recognized to the नेक्स्ट जनरेशन विच ऑफस्प्रिंग आर प्रोड्यूस। ओके, कि आपका जो XY क्रोमोसोम्स होता है यही आपका मेल आइडेंटिफाई करता है, रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है कि जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन हमारी आ रही है उसमें मेल है या फीमेल है, तो वो उस कौन सा डिटरमाइन करता है क्रोमोसोम, वो हमारा XY करता है। ओके, एंड द XY क्रोमोसोम प्रेजेंट इन अ मेल। Okay, so it's a responsibility of the male person. Okay, so this one is a okay. So main summary of this topic, the XX and XY chromosome is the autosome. XX is the autosome chromosomes and the XY is a sex chromosome. Okay, or heterosome chromosomes. So you know very well, in a human being 46 chromosomes are present and the 22 chromosomes are pairing, and the next 23rd chromosomes known as a heterosome or sex chromosome because it's a XY chromosome. Okay, so let's see. This one is a homogametes. Gametic means the female is called the homogametic sex because only one type of gametes is produced. Means जैसे मैंने आपसे डिस्कस किया इस पॉइंट को कि when the XX chromosomes are present known is a homogametes. Okay, and the when is a XY chromosomes are present in a chromosome known is a heterogametes. Okay, and the other name of the XX chromosome is a autosomes and XY chromosome is a heterosome or homogametes. Okay, so now let's see in the sex determination in various organisms. First one is a insect. Genotype of female. Genotype means internally gametes or phenomena present in a insect is the XX, and the genotype of male X0 या XO. Drosophila XX XY. Drosophila is a housefly. Okay, now bird, fish and butterflies WZ and WW. WZ in a female and the WW is a present in a male. Human and other mammals, XX genotype of a female and the XY genotype present in a male. Okay, now let's discuss mechanism of sex determination. The X0 system of sex determination operate in insect. Before we will just discuss this point. In the male have only one X chromosomes designated at XO, while the female have the X chromosome. Okay, and the second one is a Drosophila melanogaster have 4 pairs of chromosomes. The female is XX and the male is XY. The Y is characteristically in J shape. Okay, so these points are clear. So let's discuss this point in sex determination in a human. Okay, so now in all sexually reproducing organisms, at least one sex chromosome is present. There is a XY is a father and XX is a mother, and this one is a parent generation. Okay, in sex chromosomes are the mainly of 2 types. Okay, that means just discuss in before slides. Okay, XY and XX. X chromosomes is present in both male and females, but Y chromosomes is found only in males. Okay, so you can see Y chromosomes are present in a male and the female chromosomes XX. In human being, the female carries 2 X chromosomes, but male carries 1 X chromosomes and 1 Y chromosomes. Due to this, females have XX conditions while males have XY condition. Okay, so in a F1 generation, when cross father and mother, 50-50% ratio are outcomes. Two daughters in a F generation and the two son in present in a F1 generation. So this is a sex determination in human beings. I think these point are very understanding to given with example when I am sharing to the different examples. So I think this point is clear to all. And now, so students, now this topic is completed and I have sent you notes in WhatsApp group. So please watch this video and understand this topic by providing the notes, okay, in your school groups. So please carefully to study this topic, okay. So now, thank you.